LenTenSci. I have two pictures that I have to hang level, but I'm not sure how I'm going to do it. At first, normally I have a wire that hanging across, but this has 2 points of contact, so I'm not sure how I'm going to do it yet. They both have these connectors, these hangers right here, which I pull out a little bit instead of a wire that goes across here. I have to put one on each of these, and they have to be level. So I got to put two nails this far apart, level where I want them. Okay, I like to use my level to measure because I can write on there because pencils write on aluminum, and then I can just wipe it right off. And I don't have to be exact for here. So this tells me that they are this far apart. The reason I like to use the level is because I have the level and the measurement all at the same time. I'm gonna hang them up here, approximately centered in the center of this and the center of the wall. So that means that I am cutting this wall up in halves, and I'll probably put this one a little higher, this one a little bit lower. Figure out how high to put it, and then I will mark that approximately. Okay, I figured this is roughly center of this half, a little bit lower than where I'm going to place it. I like to mark where the center, and I can tell the center by approximately by holding it in my hand and seeing where the level point would be. If I move this back and forth, this tells me approximately where the level point is. If I really want to be careful about it, I could use the spirit level to show me even more. My finger is at the middle of the top of the frame. I leave my hand here, so I can put this on the ground, and I mark that center here, and that's where the center of the frame is going to be. I want the hook at the bottom of the level. Okay, the spirit level works by having a small air bubble inside the liquid. The liquid wants to stay on the bottom, and the liquid stays on top. If we put the liquid in the center of the tube between those two lines, that means that our spirit level is level. Because I want to measure twice and put the nail in once, I'm double checking that this goes from center to center, but I can also go from one edge to one edge because these two are identical. This tells me that I can put these center to center, and so it'll be in the center of both these hangers. I line the top of this, I line the top of my level to the mark that I made, that is the center of the frame, and I make it level and mark the two places that my hook is going to go, and mark it and check the measure. Okay, I line up the hook with the bottom of the mark. I hammer that all the way in, and then I check level again with my other mark. I line up the bottom of the hook with my mark again, and check level before I put everything back, before I drive it all the way in. I pull these hangers out and line up the hangers with the hooks I just hung up. It shows that they are level. Yay! This ended up a little lower than I wanted because I can still see the mark right here. And I'm not sure why. Oh, I think it's because I should have lined those up with the bottom of this mark rather than from the top. Oops. But it's still level. Ta-da! All done. All fixed. If you like my video, click here to subscribe.